All right, now honestly, I did not expect a corner lamp to change my entire desk setup, but that's what happened once I turned this thing on and saw the light bounce off the wall. Now, BRINGUX did send this over for me to test out, so let me show you everything that it does. First off, just look at the glow spilling across the corner tube side facing the wall. That's what really sold me on this. Make sure you stick around though, because later I am going to show you how bright this gets from the dimmest setting that it goes to all the way maxed out to the brightest setting that it goes to. But real quickly, here's what you're working with when you're getting this lamp. It does stand right under 5 foot tall. I say it's at 5 foot tall. I'm also 5 foot tall. It weighs about 2 pounds, plugs into the wall, gives you 16 million colors, 68 preset effects, and up to 1200 lumens. Now, assembly with this lamp was generally one of the easiest I've ever done. The poles are numbered 1 through 4. You start with 4 and just put it into the bottom of the base. Make sure you push hard and click it in there. And then of course you put 3 on top of 4 going in reverse order. Screw that in, put 2 on top of 3, screw that in, 1 at the top. And in 2 to 3 minutes total, this thing was together. Now it does feel solid on the base, no wobbling at all when it's sitting here, despite how light the poles really are. I did give it like a quick push and it wobbles just a little bit, but does not fall over. Now there are 3 ways you can control this lamp. There are 3 buttons on the base, a power mode and a microphone button. It also comes with a remote that adds auto cycle, solid colors, dimming, brightening, music, and timers, and so much more. Now you can use the remote to turn the light on and off, which I personally love. The remote also lets you cycle through the different modes. I did find a mode that is my favorite, where it rotates through the colors one by one, but it moves the colors from the bottom of the base up to the top. And of course you have another mode that reverses that and moves them top and down to the bottom through the light tube. You can also control it through an app. The app connects over Bluetooth, not Wi-Fi. It does connect in seconds, does everything the remote does, plus you can sync to like music on your phone. Let me show you all inside the app right now. All right, to download the app, you're either going to go to your Apple App Store or your Google Play Store and look for Lotus Lamp X. And you're going to download the Lotus Lamp X app. And once you download the app, you're just going to open it and it'll ask you for permissions. After powering on the device, it will automatically add and connect. So I do have it on right here, and we can see tap to disconnect from this device. I'm just gonna hit next, and then you tap, it's giving you instructions. Tap to enter the device control panel. And so you are going to have to allow Bluetooth. This is a Bluetooth device. It does not connect Wi-Fi, so it is not a smart device. It will not use like voice like Alexa or Google or anything like that. Now once you download it, it is the Lotus Lamp X app. You're going to want to open that up. And of course, I have light strips around the top of my room connected to, but you will find your device, and this is the magnet strip or light. We have the light, so we are going to click on that. And it's going to open up a panel, and you got RGB at the top, or you can use CW. You can click on that. We're going to go back to RGB, and you can see on the bottom too, you've got your color panel, and then you have a music or microphone button. Now I have already connected this to my phone microphone, and you can see as I talk and my phone is picking it up, the light goes to the sound of my voice, and if I quit talking, the light stops and it bounces back and kind of dances to the sound of my voice, because you can see right here device mic is which is my iPhone mic, or you can specifically choose iPhone mic over there. You can also click on music and you can have it dance to music. Now for copyright reasons, I can't play any music, but then if you also come over here, you've got different kind of color jumps, color modes. We can click on yellow here, the color jump. We can do a RGB stripe. We can do the magic black. And of course you can kind of down here do dimming and brightness. You can change your dimming and brightness with the scroll bars at the bottom of the app. You've got different things here. You can do like a morning light glow or do like quiet. They got different settings. You want to do like a sunset, lunch break, different kind of things like that. You do have a timer setting down here at the bottom if you want. Going back to a color palette, I can just make it straight red, straight blue. You can add some of your favorite colors. You can pick and drag and kind of pick like a custom color. Ooh, I like bright hot pink. There's also a power button. You can turn it on and off with the app. And again, you've got a brightness scroll bar at the bottom here. You can dim it all the way, or you can brighten it all the way. Now, so for what I promised, I ran the white light from the lowest dimmest setting to the full brightness in a dark room. Although not totally dark, it was still somewhat daylight outside. I did the best I could. And at the top end, this genuinely puts out more than just like an accent light for a smaller room. Now, I did the same with the color lights, going from as dim as they would go to as bright as they will go. I will note though, when you're on either the dimmest setting or the brightest setting and you can't go any further, the light will flash at you to let you know you're at either the lowest or highest end. When I was doing my test, I was using the brightness and dimming buttons on the remote itself. All right, so this lamp is for anyone wanting mood lighting, gaming accent, or something to feel like an empty corner. Who it's not for though, if you're looking or needing Alexa or Google integration, or you want to replace a really bright overhead light in a large room, you might want to look elsewhere. This is a strong accent light, but it's not going to be your main source of a room light. Hope that helps. All right, the link to grab this one is down in the description below if you want to check it out for yourself. And if you found this one helpful, please go ahead and give me a follow and like so you don't miss any of our next reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.